If you want to make an extra $5,000 a month in 2026, artificial intelligence is the single biggest unfair advantage you have right now. Not someday. Right now. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to walk you through 7 AI side hustles that real people are using to build serious income, ranked from the easiest to start to the most profitable. And the 7th one is quietly making people more money than the other 6 combined, so stay with me to the end. Here's the truth most people miss. You don't need to be technical, you don't need to show your face, and you don't need a big audience to start. What you need is to pick one of these, start today, and stay consistent for 30 days. Let's get into it. Number 1. AI faceless content creation. This is the easiest on-ramp into the entire AI economy. You use AI tools to write scripts, generate voiceovers, and assemble short videos for platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram, without ever appearing on camera. The way this pays is twofold. First, platform ad revenue once you hit the monetization thresholds. Second, and this is where the real money is, brand sponsorships and affiliate commissions in your niche. People are running channels in finance, history, fitness, and tech, posting daily, and pulling in a few $1,000s a month within their first year. The reason it works is leverage. One workflow, repeated, builds a library of content that earns while you sleep. But the catch most beginners hit is they quit before the algorithm trusts them. Consistency is the entire game here, and the people who treat it like a system, not a hobby, are the ones who win. Number 2. AI-powered social media management for local businesses. Here's a gap hiding in plain sight. Your local dentist, gym, restaurant, and law firm all need a steady stream of social posts, and almost none of them have the time or skill to do it well. With AI, you can produce a month of captions, graphics, and short videos for one client in a single afternoon. Charge $500 to $1,500 a month per client. Land 5 clients, and you're at full-time income working part-time hours. Why does this pay so well? Because you're not selling them software they have to learn. You're selling them their time back and results they can see. The skill you're actually selling is knowing which AI tools to point at the problem, and that's a skill you can learn in a weekend. Number 3. Selling digital products on autopilot. Think templates, planners, prompt packs, spreadsheets, and mini guides. AI lets you create these in hours instead of weeks. You build it once and sell it infinitely, because a digital product has no inventory and no shipping. List it on marketplaces or your own simple store, and every sale after the first is almost pure profit. The people winning here aren't making one product and hoping. They're making 10, seeing which 2 take off, and pouring their energy into those. That's the move. Volume to find the winner, then focus to scale it. Number 4, and this is the one people sleep on. AI consulting and implementation for small companies. Every business owner right now is hearing that AI will either save them or sink them, and most of them have no idea where to start. You don't need to be an engineer. You need to be the person who sets up a chatbot for their customer service, automates their invoicing, or builds them a simple system that saves 10 hours a week. Businesses will happily pay $1,000 to $5,000 for a setup that pays for itself in a month. This is the highest trust, highest paid item on this list so far, because you're solving a problem the owner is genuinely anxious about. And the demand is only going one direction. Number 5. AI writing and ghostwriting. There is a quiet gold mine in writing that almost nobody talks about. Executives, founders, and creators want a presence on platforms like LinkedIn, but they don't have time to write. You use AI to draft, then you edit for voice and accuracy, and you charge a monthly retainer to keep their feed active and their personal brand growing. The reason this is so durable is that once a client trusts your voice, they almost never leave. It becomes recurring, predictable income. The AI does the heavy lifting on the first draft. Your judgment on what's actually good is what they're paying for. Number 6. Print on demand powered by AI design. You use AI image tools to generate designs for t-shirts, mugs, posters, and wall art. Upload them to a print-on-demand platform, and the platform handles printing and shipping every time someone orders. You never touch inventory. Your entire job is creating designs that resonate with a specific audience and getting them in front of that audience. The winners here niche down hard. Not just dog shirts, but shirts for owners of one specific breed. That specificity is what turns a hobby store into real monthly income because a small, passionate audience outsells a huge, generic one every single time. And now number 7. The one I told you was quietly out-earning the rest. AI automation services for businesses, sold as a monthly retainer. Here's why this beats everything else on the list. The first 6 are mostly one-time sales or content you have to keep feeding. Automation is different. You build a business a system once, connecting their tools so leads, follow-ups, scheduling, and reporting all run themselves. Then you charge them every single month to maintain and improve it. You're not selling a product. You're selling peace of mind that their machine keeps running. Clients on these retainers almost never cancel, because canceling means going back to chaos. One person managing a handful of these retainers can build a calm, high-margin business that compounds month after month. The tools to do this are more accessible in 2026 than they have ever been, and the businesses that need it are everywhere. This is the slow, boring, deeply profitable one. And boring is exactly why the competition is thin. So let's bring this together. If you're starting from zero, begin with faceless content or digital products because they cost almost nothing to test.